Project Eugenius, Greek Parthenon. Take apart this puzzle really easy. Put back together can be a struggle, but I'm going to show you the solutions right now. Bottom piece, Trojenius Parthenon, that's the orientations. Top piece will be these orientations. For the left column, we start with this piece. Donc we have a stick, a hole here. This I'm going to call the face. Alors if you look, the face with the stick is go that way. This one is more right but on the back. Easy to place, no problem. Done. Alors, second piece, we have this one. Two stick, and it's the only one like that, if I remember. Let's see, maybe. Yeah, no, that's different, and the other one is different. Okay. Alors, this one, there is two ways to put the piece. You can put the piece this way, or you can turn the piece around. That does not matter, they come the same. And the last piece is this one. We have a two face, one looking this way, this one looking up, down. I think there is only one like that. And that's the same for this one. You can place the piece this way or the other way. That comes the same. If you check, it's working. That's done. No, second column. Here we start with this piece and maybe two like that, if I remember. Yes, we have two pieces identical. Donc with a stick, a face going that way and this face going that way. Only one way to place the piece. Next we have this piece and we have two like that. See, they are identical. The faces are parallel, meaning you can place the piece this way or you can turn the piece for the other way. It's come the same. Last piece is this one. I think we have only one, if I remember, or maybe no. We have, let's see, no, slightly different, this one. Okay, we have only one like that. Only one way to place the piece, this way. We can check with the top piece and you can see it's working perfectly. Now, for this column, we take this piece. The two faces are parallel, meaning you can place the piece this way or you can turn the piece. That comes the same. Okay. Next will be this piece. I think we have only one, or maybe this one is the same. Yes, we have two times the same piece. I'm going to stick a face going that way, the other face going that way. Here we have only one way to place the piece. Alors, all the flat surface is not easy. I'm going to place a support just to help. So it does not fall apart. Okay, I'm going to work. Alors, the last piece is this one, and we have only one piece like that. We have a two stick and a face that way, and this two way. It's like a mirror piece. Donc you can place the piece this way, or you can place the piece this way. That comes the same. Last column, starting with this piece. We have a stick, no stick here. Alors, there is one thing you can do for the last column. We have this two piece, and like you can see, the top is different. If you want, you can interchange the piece. Okay, you can start with this one. Now we put this piece, and this piece, whenever you place the piece, you can place the piece this way or you can turn the piece. I'm going to show you. Finally, the last piece, only one way to place the piece. You go, if I find the hole, okay, this way, and when you place, they're going to work. Now, if you want to mix the piece, just say, I'm going to take this piece. Now, we need the piece with a stick and hole. You place a piece here. Now, you place a piece with the 2 sticks. Finally, the last piece. And like you can see, that work. Just need, yes. Take a support here. I'm going to take the support. D'accord. In some case, you can mix-max the piece and still working. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.